Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today we will continue with the same chapter which is real numbers, that is part 4. If you did not watch my previous parts 1 and 2 and 3, the links are in the description box, so check it out. Let us start our session. So note down carefully each and every step. Now let's start. Now let us start with the first question. Determine the following values. Now the questions which are highlighted in the box, I will be explaining each of those, and remaining problems you should do on your own, and if possible post the answers in the comment section. Now let's start the solution. Now let us start with the first question, which is log 5 to the base 25. So given, we should assume it as x is equals to log 5 to the base 25. So it is a log, so taking 25 to the RHS side, here it becomes 25 to the power x, and that equals to 5. So we know that 5 square is 25. So therefore x is 1 by 2 and the value of x is 0.5. Therefore log 25 to the base 5, log 5 to the base 25 is 0.5, and that is the answer. And now for the second question, it's third question. Second question you should solve on your own. Second question is log 1 by 16 to the base 2. So now this is also assuming it as x, log 1 by 16 to the base 2, x is equals to log 1 by 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 and the base 2. So log it's 1 by 2 power 4. If it goes to the numerator, it becomes 2 power minus 4, and we know the property that log ax to the base a is x. Using this property, now this becomes directly as minus 4. So therefore log 1 by 16 to the base 2 is minus 4, and this is the answer for the third one. Now solving the fifth one. So log under root x can be written as x power 1 by 2, and we know the property log x to the base a is equals to log a to the power x is x log a. This is the property we know. And now, so using this property, we can write it as log under root x to the base x can be written as 1 by 2 log x to the base x. And we know the another property, log a to the base a. Log a to the base a equals to 1. Log a. Now here, by using this property, log under root x base x gives us this log x to the base x will be 1, and then therefore log under root x to the base x will be hence 1 by 2, and this is the solution. Now we have completed the first one, third one and fifth one. Now solve it on your own, the second, fourth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth, and if possible post the answers in the comment section. Now let's start the second question. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. These are the 5 questions. I am going to explain you first, second and fifth, and third and fourth you should solve on your own, and as usual post the answers in the comment section. Now let's start. The first one is log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5. Now you know the property by using the property log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. If it is no base given, we have to assume it as log base as 10. So log a base 10 plus log b base 10 gives us log a into b to the base 10. So this molds and gets log 2 into 5, 2 into 5 to the base 10, and this gives us log 10 to the base 10. And again using the property, by using the property, log x to the base x is 1, and here the answer gets 1 because log here x is 10 and sorry base is 10 and exponent is also 10. So log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So therefore the value of log 2 plus log 5 is 1, and this is the answer. Now the second one, which is log 16 base 2 and the log 2 base 16. So by using log, now using the property log x minus log y, which will give us log x by y. So by applying this property, this becomes log 16 by 2. Log 16 by 2 is nothing but log 8 to the base 2, and this 8 can be written as log 2 cube base 2. Now using the other property, this power 3 becomes the coefficient, so it becomes 3 log 2 base 2, and we know log x to the base x will be 1, so 3 into 1, which is 3. So therefore log 2 to the base log 16 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2 is 3, and this is the answer. Here for your information I used a lot of properties, but if you know the one property, in the one step you can find the answer, which is like log 16 to the base 2, and here 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4, and using this and 2 power 4 comes to the numerator, 4 comes as a coefficient, so 4 log 2 base 2 minus log 2 base 2, 4 into log 2 base 2 will be 1, and also log 2 base 2 will be 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, and in that way also you can get the answer. If you want to use more the property and present your paper nicely, so use these many properties and find the answer. Now solve third and the fourth question on your own. The clue for the third question is this 64 can be expressed in terms of 4, and the hint for the fourth question is you can express this by using the log property, which is log a minus log b is log a by b. And I am solving the fifth question. So it is log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. By using the property, this 2 goes as power of 3, that is log 3 square minus log 2. So log 10, log 3 square is 9, log 9 minus log 2, and by using the property, by using log a plus log b, which is log ab, we are going to make these two terms as one term, that is log 9 into 10 minus log 2. Here log 9 into 10 is log 90 minus log 2. So by using the property, always mention the property which you are using. So log a minus log b which is log a by b. So this becomes now log 90 by 2, which is log 45. So therefore log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 is log 45, and this is the answer. Now solve the homework questions and comment in the comment section. Now the third question, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given that x is log 3 base 2 and the y is log 2 base 5. In these 4 problems I am going to solve on your own. The previous problems do it as homework. I am not going to give these 4 in anyone as a homework. Now let's start solving. The first question, which is log 15 to the base 2. Now this 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So using the property log a into b. Log a into b is log a plus log b. So this can be splitted into log 3 to the base 2 and log 2 to the base y. And from the question we know that x is log 3 to the base 2 and the y is log 5 to the base 2. So we got here log 3 base 2 and here log 5 base 2. So therefore we have done expressing this log 15 base 2 in the terms of x and y. So log 15 base 2 is x plus y, and this is the answer. And now the second question. Now the second question in terms of 7.5 in terms of decimals. So we know that 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So log 15 divided by 2 to the base 2. This can be expressed as log 15 divided by 2 to the base 2. So we know the property by using log a by b, which can be written as log a minus log b. We can split this term as log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. And from the, so this is the first question which we have done, log 15 to the base 2 we know, and use the same procedure to solve this and write, I am writing directly answer. You have to do the procedure log 2 into 15 into 3 minus 1. Now that is log 5 to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 minus 1, which is therefore y plus x minus 1, and this is the answer. Now the third one, which is log 60 to the base 60, and we know the 60 can be written as 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. First, when we are going with the some difficult number, first think in which terms it can be expressed. So 60 can be expressed as 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. It can be expressed in many ways, but we have to express in terms of given question. In the question it is 3 2 5 2. So I have expressed in the terms of 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. So this can be written as log 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 to the base 2. And by using the property, we know the property, right? Log a into b into c into d, the same property, which is log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. And we are going to apply this here. So it gets log 5 to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2 and plus log 2 to the base 2. And we know log 5 base 2 is y. From the question we know log 5 base 2 is y and log 3 base 2 is x. And by using the property log x to the base x, which is 1. So log 2 base 2 is also 1, and here also log 2 base 2 is 1. So therefore y plus x plus 2. So therefore log 60 to the base 2 can be expressed as x plus y plus 2. And now the fourth question, which is a bigger number, but try to express in terms of its factors. So 6750 can be expressed as 5 cube plus into 3 cube into 2. So log 2 6750 can be expressed as log 5 cube into 3 cube into 2 to the base 2. Now by using the property as we have used in the previous all the problems, which is log a into b into c is log a plus log b plus log c. So this can be expressed as log 5 cube to the base 2 plus log 3 cube to the base 2 plus log 2, and this 3 comes as a coefficient. So 3 log 5 base 2, and here 2 comes as a coefficient, 2 log 3 base 2 plus log 2, and here we know that log 5 to the base 2 is y, so 3y, and log 3 to the base 2 is x, so 2x, and log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So therefore log 6750 to the base 2 can be expressed as 3y plus 2x plus 1, and these are all the solutions for those problems. Note it down carefully, and that's enough. Thanks for watching. Solve the homework problems given and post your answers in the comment section. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share it with the people around you. And don't forget to click on the like button as it boosts my motivation to make more videos. Thank you.